Hey guys, Jack at Sioux Dent Repair, working on a 2016 Chevy Suburban LTZ today. This vehicle had previous hail damage. A couple of the dents were missed apparently. So there's one right there. It's a pretty good sized one. And it's got a couple other ones coming down here as well. I just went ahead and finished up the repair on this Suburban. We'll go ahead and flip the camera around here and have you take a look at it. Dents would have been there, there, and there. Are you in need of a paintless dent repair on your vehicle? Contact us at the number listed here and check out our website. Thanks for watching.